What is up, my fellows? We are back with a CT4-V Blackwing bool video. So today I'm going to try to cook some of the back roads around here and try to have a fun time with nobody in front of me, hopefully. We're safely out here in Mexico on a closed course done with AI generated Forza 5 content. So don't try this at home. This might not be safe if you're not a professional booler. So I'm gonna put the car into track mode just because it feels a little bit more fun. Sharp steering, sharp suspension. What I feel like track mode is like is it kind of is more of a one-to-one, where Tour is a little not as aggressive throttle response. Sport is like boosted throttle response, where you're getting more throttle than what you feel like you're pressing. And then, like I said, track is one-to-one. And then the brake feel, I don't tell like a huge difference between it, but I want to say maybe in the higher modes it like activates quicker because it's all drive-by-wire for the brakes. And then you already know the exhaust is in track mode at all times anyway, but here it is. And then I don't want to have any problems here, so I'm not going to turn traction off all the way, but I will put the PTM into like race 1 or race 2, probably race 2, just because I like the slidey. Well, we got a tunnel here, so you know what that means. Getting some minor understeer vibe here. These Michelins are not fresh.